In today's Consumer Power video, I want to chat with you for just a moment about some things I've been speaking to homeowners about who are trying to get modifications on their home loan. And that is when you are dealing with a mortgage company, whether it's Bank of America, Chase, Litton Loans, whoever it may be, it doesn't matter. When you're dealing with them, you have to say, even though this may not be fair, even though this may be annoying, I'm going to do this to protect myself. And that is, you're on the phone with them, make notes, detailed notes. Who did you speak with? We recommend making your calls from your cell phone. That way, it will clearly show on the record of your cell phone bill that you made a phone call on September the 8th at 4:30. It lasted 20 minutes. And then if they ever dispute that call, you've got some proof that you made that call. You also have your notes that you can show as to what was said. And what we suggest is that take down very detailed notes about what was said, and then as you're ending that conversation and you're speaking with Joe, for example, you say, hey Joe, what is your email? I'd like to type up our notes or our conversation and send you those notes. And you usually say, whoa, I can't give you an email address. You go, okay, so you don't have an email address or you're refusing to give it to me. You write that down. You say, well, then give me a fax number. I'll type it up. I'll fax it to you. And sometimes I go, well, wait a minute. I can't give you a fax number. You go, really? You don't have a fax number? Or you do and you won't give it to me? Okay, make a note of that. You say, well then Joe, give me an address where I can mail a letter to you. Kind of hard for Bank of America or Citi or Chase to say, we don't have a post office box or we don't have an address. And the thing is you don't just say that, you actually type that up or you handwrite it, whatever you want to do, and then you mail it or you fax it or you email it. And then when you're, for example, you send in a loan modification package and you call and they say, oh yes, we got it. And then 2 weeks later they say, we have no record of getting this package. You go, well, wait a minute now. According to my notes here, I spoke with you on September the 8th and I spoke with Joe and I followed that up with a letter. I can send you that letter. And sometimes that may help to get it through their heads that, hey, you're actually paying attention, and maybe they won't be able to just completely blow you off or to lie to you about receiving a package or telling you the foreclosure sale has been canceled or rescheduled or whatever it may be. So I suggest that you consider doing that. It's a lot of work, it's a pain, but if your house is important to you, then you may want to consider taking these steps. You should not have to do it. You should be able to trust the bank if they tell you foreclosure sale is canceled or we got your package or it's being reviewed. Whatever they say, you ought to be able to trust them. But this will help them to be truthful to you. And at least it's worth a shot. You never know. They might actually tell you the truth when they realize that you're taking very detailed notes and you're on top of things. So hope this has been helpful to you. If you'd like to see other videos like this or read our weekly newsletter, you can go to consumerpowernewsletter.com. Thank you very much and have a great day.